Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your mathematics class for grade 4 from Pakistan International School Taif, and today we are going to start page number 86. On page number 86, you have area and perimeter. In last video, we did how to find the area. So I want to revise this one again. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. You can write like this one: length multiplied by breadth. Okay. When we are find the area of rectangle, we have to multiply length with breadth. Okay. On page number 86, you have question number 4. Copy this table carefully in your notebook, then complete it. Okay. First of all, I will draw this table, and then I will tell you how to find the answer of the area. I draw the table of question number 4. Here the length and breadth is given. We have to find the area and then perimeter. As I told you that area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So you have to multiply length with breadth. This is 4 cm multiplied by 5 cm. What will be the answer? 4 multiplied with 5, 4 centimeter multiplied 5 centimeter will be 20 centimeter square. This is the area of rectangle. Now we have to find the perimeter. This is also, I told you, perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus breadth. First of all, we add length and breadth and then multiply with 2. This is 4 plus 5 will be 9. This is 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. We add this, it will be as it is. 4 plus 5 will be 9 centimeter, and then we multiply with 2. 2 nines are 18 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer of perimeter. Now you can done this easily. So here we find the area of this one. Length 10 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Area is, you know that length multiplied by breadth. So we multiply 10 with 2. 10 2s are 20 centimeter square. This is the area, and now we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter of this one and this one, we add these two. 10 plus 2 will be 12, and then multiply with 2. 10 plus 2, 12, and multiply by 2, it will be 24 centimeter. This is the answer. Same here, area 9 multiplied by 7 will be 63 centimeter square. And now we have to find the perimeter. Add this with this. 9 plus 7 will be 16, and multiply 2 will be 32 centimeter. Okay. Now the area of this one, length 8 centimeter, breadth 7. 8 multiplied by 7 will be 56 centimeter square. And we have to find the perimeter. Add these. 8 plus 7 will be 15. 15 multiplied by 2 will be 30 centimeter. Same, you have to find the area of this one. 11 multiplied by 4 will be 44 centimeter square. And now we have to find the perimeter. 11 plus 4 will be 15, and 15 multiplied by 2 will be 30. This is the answer of question number 4. Now you have question number 5. In this, the area is given. When the area is given, how to find the length or breadth? So first of all I will tell you, then I will solve question number 5. As you know that area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So when we find the length, then length is equal to area divided by breadth, like this one. And if we want to find the breadth, then area divided by length, like this one. Okay, dear students, when we have to find area, then length multiplied by breadth. When we want to find the length, then area divided by breadth. And when we want to find the breadth, then area divided by length. Okay, there is question number 5. Now I will draw the table of question number 5 on the board, and then we will do our question. This is question number 5. In this, area is given. We have to find breadth or length. As I told you, when we have to find the length, we divide by area by breadth. When we find to breadth, we divide area by length. Here first question, area is 100 centimeter square and breadth is 5 centimeter. So we divide area 100 divided by 5. So what will be the answer? 100 divided by 5, and you can say like this one, 100 divided by 5, and you can say like this one, 100 divided by 5. These are all same. You can use any method. So 5 2s are 10, minus this will 0 here. So we will write, if we have remainder 0, it will be 20. So the length of this area 100 divided by 5 will be 20 centimeter. Same, the area is 81 centimeter square, breadth is 9 centimeter. 81 divided by 9, 81 divided by 9, it will be 9 times 81. So our answer will be 9. So this is 9 centimeter. Now we have area and then length. We have to find the breadth. 36 centimeter divided by 9 centimeter. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. This is the answer. And the next one, area is 54 centimeter square and the breadth is 6 centimeter. So we have to divide 54 by 6. 6 9s are 54. This is the answer. and here we have 120 centimeter square, and this is 10 centimeter. 120 divided by 10 will be 12 centimeter. This is the answer. Next one, question number 6. Now copy and complete. Here the perimeter is given. We have to find the length or breadth. This is also very easy. We have to divide by perimeter divided by 2 and then subtract the length or breadth. Then we will find the answer. In question 6, we have to find the length or breadth of perimeter. Question 6. As you know that perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula of perimeter, 2 into length plus breadth. If we have to find the length or breadth, then what we will do? So perimeter divided by 2 and then length and breadth will be. This 2 here multiplied will be divided here. So if we want to find length or breadth, let's suppose I want to find the length. So this is breadth is plus, it will be here minus. This will be as it is perimeter over 2 minus breadth. This is the formula of length. And when we are finding the length, first of all we divide perimeter with 2 and then answer subtract by breadth. And if we want to find the breadth, this is the formula of breadth. So it will be as it is perimeter divided by 2 minus length. This is formula for length of, and this is formula for breadth. In question 6, we have table. Perimeter is given, length and breadth is to find. So first of all I will draw the table and then you will solve with me. This I draw the table of question number 6. The perimeter is 6 centimeter. The length is the perimeter is 20 centimeter. Length is 6 centimeter. We have to find the breadth. So as I told you that when we are finding the breadth, first of all divide perimeter by 2. This is 20 divided by 2 and then subtract by length 6. So as 20 divided by 2 and then minus 6. So 20 divided by 2 will be 10 and minus 6. 10 minus 6 will be 4. So this is the breadth 4 centimeter. You can do this orally. How? 28 divided by 2. 28 divided by 2, what will be the answer? The answer will be 28 divided by 2, the answer will be 14. And 14 minus 5 will be 9. This is the answer. Okay, dear students. Same here. 34 divided by 2. What will be the answer? 34 divided by 2 answer will be 17. 17 minus 12 will be 5 centimeter. You can do rough work on your side, like here. if you not understand. Same here, 70 centimeter. This is the perimeter. So we divide by 2. 70 divided by 2, answer will be 35. And 35 minus 15 will be 20 centimeter. Same here, 300. This is the perimeter, divided by 2. 300 divided by 2, it will be 150. Okay? 300 divided by 2, it will be 150. 150 minus 100, it will be 50 centimeter. Okay, dear students, you have to draw this in your notebook and then complete and share it to your teacher, and also complete in your book. Next, question number 7. Now solve these problems in your notebook. A rectangle is 15 centimeter long and 7 centimeter wide. What is its area? You know the formula of area. So first of all, I write the question 7. Again, read question number 7 carefully. This is question number 7. A rectangle is 15 centimeter long. Long means its length. Length is equal to 15 centimeter. This is part A. Length is equal to 15 centimeter. And 7 centimeter wide. Wide means width or breadth. You can say width or breadth. Width is equal to 7 centimeter. The question is, what is its area? We have to find the area. Area is equal to question mark. As you know that the formula of area is equal to length multiply breadth or width same. Length multiply by width. So area is equal to, what is the length? 15 centimeters. Multiply what is the width? This is 7 centimeter. So you have to multiply 15 multiply by 7. What will be the answer? Dear students, I told you before that you have to learn the tables. This is 15 up to 7. 15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45, 15 4 is 60, 15 5 is 75, 15 6 is 90, 15 7 is 105, 15 7 is 105 centimeter square. This is the answer of part A. Next, you have part B also. Sit space workers space bed is 2 centimeter long and 1 centimeter wide. This is part B of question number 7. So same here, the length is given and width also given. Length is equal to 2 meter. Here is meter. Before there was centimeter. Now this is meter. You have to use that unit which is given. And width is equal to 1 meter long. 1 meter wide. The question is, how much area of its said spaceship does it occupy? So we have to find the area. The formula is same as it is. So area is equal to length multiplied by breadth, width. area is equal to what is the length? 2 meter multiply 1 meter. So what will be the answer? 2 multiply 1 will be 2 meter square. This is the area. There is another part, and if set walks around it once, what distance does he cover? Mean we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter is the boundary of that bed, around the bed. So mean what is its perimeter? And you know that perimeter is equal to is equal to 2 length plus width. So perimeter is equal to what is the length? Length is 2 meter and width is 1 meter. 2 meter plus 1 meter, then perimeter, P for perimeter. 2 meter plus 1 meter, it will be 3 meter. Perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6 meter. This is the perimeter of that bed. There are two parts of B. First we have to find the area, and then we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 6 meter. Now come to question number page number 87. On page number 87 you have question 8. Here is set spacewalkers collection of magic carpets. Work out the area of each. This is your homework. You have to complete question number 8 in your home. You have to find the area. You know the formula of area. Area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. It's very easy. Now we have to come to question number 9. Which carpet has the so in question 8 you have to find the area, then you have to tell which carpet has the largest area. So in these A, B, C 3 parts you have, which one has the largest area? So you will find that one. Then question number 9. This is also very easy. We have to find the area. So question number 9. This is question number 9. Question 9 is Sid hopes to build a house on the moon in 2020 CE and live there for a period of 6 months. This is the plan of his house. His house is like this one. Bedroom will be 4 meter long and 2 meter wide. Bathroom will be 2 meter long and 2 meter wide. And this living room is, this is the breadth 3 meter, and the length here you will see that the length is not given. This is 3 and this is 2, mean it will be 5. It will be 5 meter length. And this kitchen is 3 meter long and 2 meter wide. And this is playroom, 3 meter long and 2 meter wide. And this is store, and this is square shape. Each side is 2 meter and 2 meter. Now he said that what is the total area of Sid's house? Mean we have to find the total area of Sid's house. How we will find this? By adding together the areas of all the 6 rooms. There are 6 rooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to find the area of each room one by one, and then at the end we have to add these areas. It will be the total area of 6 rooms. So first of all we have this one, bedroom. So we have to find the area of bedroom. Area of bedroom is equal to, you know that length multiplied by breadth. So area of bedroom will be, what is the length? The length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So we have to multiply 4 meter multiplied by 2 meter is equal to 4 to the 8 meter square. This is the area of bedroom. Now we have to find the area of bathroom. Bathroom is a square shape. So area of bathroom will be, in square we multiply side with side. In area of square we multiply side with side. So one side is 2 meter and other side is also 2 meter. So 2 meter multiplied by 2 meter is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4 meter square. Then we have to find, this is the area of bathroom. Now we have to find the area of kitchen. Kitchen length is 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter. Area of kitchen is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6 meter square. And then we have area of living room. So area of living room will be same length multiplied by breadth. So area of living room will be, what is the length? So here is the point, the length is not given. So this is the length. Here you see that opposite side, this is 3 meter plus 2 meter, mean length will be 5 meter. Okay dear students, the length is not given, so we will look here, this is 3 meter and this is 2 meter, this is parallel. So the length will be same 5 meter. 5 meter multiplied breadth is 3 meter. 5 meter multiplied 3 meter will be 5 is 15 meter square. This is the area of living room. Now we have to find the area of playroom. Area of playroom. Same length multiplied by breadth. What is the length? Length is 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter. 3 meter multiplied by 2 meter will be 3 to the 6 meter square. And the last one is store. Store is also square shape. Area of store is equal to side multiplied by side. So one side is 2 meter, other is also 2 meter. So 2 meter multiplied by 2 meter will be 4 meter square. So I found the areas of 6 rooms. Now the question is that what is the total area of the house? So we have to add these 6 rooms. So area of the house will be area of house will be, we have to add these areas. Area of bedroom, this is the area of bedroom, we have at 8 meter square plus Then we have area of bathroom, this one 4 meters square. Then we have the area of kitchen, this is 6 meters square plus 6 meters square. Then we have the area of living room, that is 15, this one plus 15 meters square. Then plus we have the area of play room, that is this one 6 meters square. And then plus we have the area of store, that is 4, this one, so 4 meters square. These are 6 rooms, 1 2 3 4 5 6 rooms. These are the areas of 6 rooms. Now we have to find the area of house. Will be, now we have just add 8 plus 4 will be 12, 12 plus 6 will be 18, 18 plus 15 will be 18 plus 15 will be 33, 33 plus 6 will be 39, 39 plus 4 will be 43. The area of the house will be 43 meters square. This is the answer of question number 9. Now you have question number 10. This is also very easy. In question 10, and there are 4 parts A, B, C, D. So these are very easy. In part A, area is given, we have to find the length. Area divided by breadth, you will find the length. In part B, the area is also given, we have to find the breadth. So we divide area by length, then we find the breadth. In part C, perimeter is given, so you have to divide by 300 by 2 and then subtract by 100, then we find its breadth. Part D I will do here. ABC is your homework. Question 10. Part D. In part D, the walls around a playground measures 410 meter. Mean this is around the wall. This is mean perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 410 meter. If one wall along the length of the playground is 80 meter long, what is the length along its breadth? So mean if the length of one side is equal to 80 meter, then what is the length of breadth? We have to find this one. And what is the area of the playground? We also find the area. Area is equal to question mark. Dear students, as I told you that we have to find the breadth. Breadth is equal to perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter divided by 2 minus length. We can find easily. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is 410 meter over 2 minus length is 80 meter. So when we divide by 410 divided by 2, it will be 205. 205 minus 80. So we have to find the other length. will be 205 minus 80. What will be the answer? 205 minus 80. 5 minus 0 will be 5. 1, this is 10. 8 minus it will be 2, this is 1. Mean this is 125 meter. 125 meter. This is the breadth is equal to 125. This is the length of the side. Okay, dear students, this is the answer of this one. Now we have to find the area. You know that area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Area is equal to length is 80 meter multiplied by breadth is 125 meter. Now you have to multiply 125 multiplied by 80. 125 multiplied by 80. So when you multiply 0 with 5, 0 with 2, it will be 0, 0 and 0. And this is 1. 8, 5 are 40. 0 will be here and 4 will be carried. 8 to the 16 plus 4 will be 20. 0 and 2 carry. 8 was 8 and 2, 10. So we have to add 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. This is the answer. 10,000 meters square. This is the area. Okay, dear students. Now there is your homework. Page number 87, question 8 and question 10, part ABC. And at the end there is question number 11. No need to do question number 11. This is your homework. Page number 87, question number 8, part ABC. A, B and C. And question number 10, part A, B, C. These are your homework. I hope you understand this question, and if you have problem you can ask your